What's going on, guys? Josh over at Cerberus. Beautiful sunny day, and I have an awesome F350 Lariat. This truck is in the carbonized gray. You've seen us do it before. Did the front a little bit different this time, so customer went for the black grille and then color match on the grille pieces and the bumper. This was another Lariat that was covered in chrome, and now it is all color matched. Coming down the side here, we have some 22-inch DDC wheels wrapped in 37-inch Toyos. Great tire. On the side here, we have our badges. We did color match body liner on those. A little bit of PPF on the front, ceramic coating, and this is my favorite part, custom welding deck by Quest Fab here in Calgary. We did something a little bit different on this deck, so we did a mix of our textured as well as our smooth body liner. That means you're gonna get grip and durability where you need it. And then for those non-high wear areas, we have our body liner. It's not gonna chip, it's not gonna fade, looks great. Did the welding sloop as well. And coming around the back with the LED lights, you can really see this thing looks awesome.